Alright everybody, we got another unboxing. What's up everybody, this is Gary D from DIY Dollar Bills, where I talk about selling on Amazon, Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and Facebook. And today we got part 4 of 5 of my series of the quarter pallet from Everything Liquidation. This is box number 4, and $127 for each box, $635 for all 5, all in total. Let's get started. Alright, first thing we got here, we got 3 boxes of the Copper Fit Never Lost 2 face masks that were recently seen on TV. We got 3 boxes of them. One of the boxes, guys, it got a little bit ripped up or whatever, but everything's brand new in there. I'll just tape the box up. And we got 3 boxes. I'll probably sell them as a set. Alright. Put that to the side here. We've got a Revlon hairdryer. If you test it, looks to be in good condition. Oh, what is this behind it? Oh, and this one has the accessory. The other 2 I had never got the accessory. One I sold on Poshmark really quick, and the other one we gave away. We gave as a Christmas present. This one has the whatever they do accessory for the hair thing. All right, awesome. Box a little tore up, open box. Perfectly clean, like that. They're probably 20, 30 bucks. Before it goes on Poshmark real quick. The thing about Poshmark is they don't lowball. They don't lowball me. What is this here? Indian healing clay. I'm curious to look that up. It's got a UPC code and everything on it. The price will be appearing on the screen as I'm pointing this out. You know, this is probably either expiration May 2023. Awesome. All right, don't know what that does, but oh, did I just open this up in the last box? So there's a second one of these. I had this in the last box. Genius X Oral-B toothbrushes. If the conditions and all the parts are the same, I can just list this as 2. If not, I have to list them separately. All right. What is this? Wireless and Bluetooth mouse. You guys need one of those? All right. Samsung earbuds, Samsung Buds Plus. I like major brands like that. That's a good thing. They sell for more. We've got a little headset here. This is a standard wired headset. That's probably not gonna be much. That's probably about 10 bucks. Well, we see the prices coming across the screen. What is this? Oshkosh. Oh, these are the kid. Oh, how cute. Kid shoes. Children's shoes. Do I have sizes on there? 12. So a 12 child. 12 toddler 12. I guess. I don't know. All right. Oh, the little eBay thing there, but that wasn't interesting. I purchased something on eBay. Just let me know they printed the shipping label. Purchased something last night. A bicycle seat. Kiko KF03. It's a bike seat. You can see from the shape. Awesome. I never had a bike seat before this out. That's gonna be cool. They can go on Facebook. Somebody may get that locally. We got a lot of people who ride bikes around where I live. Iggy Noah Pop Fidget Fidgeter. Like different shaped silicone stuff. I don't know what it is. It's a kind of toy. I don't know if it's part of a toy, if it's a whole toy. I've got to research that. Do we see the price on the screen, or if it's going in the trash? I don't remember seeing this in the bottom of the box before. I got 2 things left. I'm going to show the first one of them, which is a pair of shoes. These are Merrell's. Oh, like Croc type shoes. Cool. Brand new. Awesome. I hope, please let this go for a good amount. This could be the biggest profit thing I've had out of these boxes from Everything Liquidation. If they put one of these in here, I swear it could possibly have paid for the whole shipment. Half. But I gotta be prepared to look at, I'm gonna be pessimistic and stay on the disappointing side of it. But it's gotta be worth something. Y'all ready for this? Drum roll. I know I could put a drum roll effect in the edit in the video, but it looks like a picture of a robot vacuum. Let's open this up a little bit, shall we? Everything Liquidation. If you're watching my video, I know you're subscribed to my channel, by the way. I spoke to somebody, Everything Liquidation. There's a representative from them that's subscribed to my channel is watching. You guys, yo, I'm going to tell you something right now. They run out of stock so fast as it comes in. I may be a part of that problem. I'm not as big as some of the other channels that promote them, talk about them. But I may be a part of that problem. That's a problem that should be good to have. You guys expand and get stuff in faster. You got to take your money, get an investment somewhere. I wish I had like $100,000 or something like that. I would talk to your thing. I would go and help you invest and expand and make your operations larger. I know, make that $100,000 back. You guys operate a business that is so beneficial to sellers. It is crazy. So there's a whole robot vac in here. Now this is probably it was used for a minute. I don't care if it's used. There's the whole charging station and the plug, everything. Does it have instructions? It does not have instructions. I don't care. We're gonna turn it on. So what I'll do is I'll put a note in here. It's called left vent. All right. So what I'll do is they'll probably have a YouTube video on this. Somebody using it. So I will put a note in here to search on the YouTube if it's there, or I will find the instructions. I will go so far, if it's worth it, to print it out and put them in. I have no idea. I've never sold a robot vacuum. Now, back in the day, these things were, you know, this is not a major brand. It might be only $100. Home robot. Yo, please, as the price is coming across the screen right now, you'll see a sad or a happy face or no face. No face means, okay, I'm cool with it. Sad face means, yo, that's bull. And happy face is just what I was hoping for, all right? All right, guys, so this is the end of part 4. Stay tuned, subscribe, share this channel. If you don't want to share it, these sets of unboxing videos, you don't have to. That's more people that's going to be seeing this, going to Everything Liquidation and saying, I want. Let me tell you something. Again, people at Everything Liquidation, expand. I'm sending you things. I'm sending so bad that I may not be able. I've got enough here to last me a while, but I want to buy I'm going to end up buying a pallet from you sometime if I can get through. All right. So, guys, get ready for part 5. It's coming up. This is Gary D for DIY Dollar Bills. Peace.